Hi, it's me Blinky again. Today I'm in Osaka, Japan, and I'm gonna ride a horse at Horseland, Osaka. Today I'll be focusing on the samurai costumes and the Japanese native horse that they claim to be samurai horse breed.
Your dad.
My dad wanted to join us today, but he was overweight because they have an 80-kilogram weight limit. Ooh, Dongyoji Samurai. My shoe's broken. It just broke. Like over there. So my mom is trying to fix the shoes.
Temporarily. Of
Temporary. Yeah. Temporarily. The moral of this story is don't buy cheap shoes because ไม่ใส่หน้ากากนะ
แล้วใส่กิโมโนไหม
I might wear this.
You mean that one?
No, this one. I feel like I'm from a villain in an anime.
Villain from an anime?
I will not send this video to any friend.
Ready? Look at the horse. น่ารักอ้ายน่ารักมากเลย
Okay, good. All right.
แขนเสื้อ
네, 딱 나왔다.
An was done.
What are you doing?
I know. Oh,ทำไมมัน
Okay, make your loose as loose as possible. Put your hand in front. Put your hands in front.
ให้เขาเดิน ปล่อยเลน ซ้าย
Move your hand as long as possible. Okay, stop. Right. Stay. When you ride, arm and hand must go just as long as possible.
ยื่นมือไปข้างหน้าให้เยอะที่สุด ดึงกลับมาก่อน ออกทางนี้ ยื่นมือไปข้างหน้าให้เยอะๆ ซ้ายออกไปดิ
ไม่หนูพัดโชว์มา
หมุนออกมาทางนี้
เอาไปก่อนเอาไปก่อนเอาไป
Don't pull. Open. Guide the horse. Please guide the horse. Alright, don't mind, don't mind.
เดี๋ยวออกอีกแล้ว
หมุนม้าเหมือนที่
นึกออกแต่ว่ามันดื้อ
Again, try it. Okay, turn. Open your rein. Guide the horse. Okay? Alright.
Try.
Okay.
that ice cream from Family Mart.
Yeah.
Is it rice field at the back?
Probably. I don't know what this thing is though. This
น้ำใสกริ้ง
เขามาเล่นน้ำกันได้อย่างนี้เลยเหรอ
ดีเนาะ
ปลาสิปลาตัวใหญ่เหมือนในแอนิมอลคอสซิ่งเลยอ่ะ
ไหน
นี่ปลาแบบ
อุ้ยตัวใหญ่จริง Okay so we done the ride
So it was fun. The costume was really good. There were many kinds of costumes.
for you
Like-
to choose from
Yeah, like a costume from the 17th century.
I don't remember the number though like they got like kind of armor full
Yeah,
armor
like
and-
full armor, and there's like some other clothes.
but we choose the easiest choice
We chose the easiest one,
but it's
which
fun
is what we wear.
yeah
The horse. So it's like they use Japanese Western style riding, so we can't.
difficult
Yeah, it's difficult to control the horse.
yeah but it's kind of new experience to us too
Overall, it was fun.
and new experience so we kind of like it
Anyways, that's it for today. So bye. Thanks for watching.